Sending money via Zelle with U.S. Bank is a convenient and secure way to transfer funds to friends, family, or businesses. To get started, you need to have a U.S. bank account and be enrolled in online banking or have the U.S. Bank mobile app. First, log in to your U.S. Bank online banking account or open the mobile app. If you are using the app, tap the menu icon and select Send Money. If you are using online banking, click on the Pay and Transfer tab and then select Send Money with Zelle. Next, review the terms and conditions of using Zelle with U.S. Bank. This includes understanding the transfer limits, fees, and any other requirements. To send money, you will need to add the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Make sure the recipient is enrolled in Zelle with their bank or credit union, or they can enroll when they receive the payment notification. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a message with the payment. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the amount. Once you confirm the transaction, the recipient will receive a notification that the money is on its way. If the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle, the money will be deposited directly into their bank account. If they are not enrolled, they will receive a notification with instructions on how to claim the payment. It is essential to only send money to people you trust, as transactions via Zelle are typically irreversible. Also, be aware of any transfer limits and fees associated with using Zelle. In conclusion, sending money via Zelle with U.S. Bank is a straightforward process that requires you to log into your account, review the terms and conditions, add the recipient's information, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. By following these steps and being mindful of the best practices, you can safely and efficiently send money to anyone with a U.S. bank account.